who came last night?
Yeah.
Who? The Easter Bunny came last night. Claire, the Easter Bunny hid all kinds of eggs all over the downstairs. You need to go find them.
Uh-oh.
She found one. Daddy, do we have a basket we can put the eggs into?
Do we?
Oh, why don't we use that one up there?
I showed you. I showed you, Daddy.
Hey, Claire,
I showed you.
put the egg in there. And go find the rest of them.
Go find some more.
Here,
Take the basket.
I see one here.
Wow.
There's some in our playhouse.
I don't know.
The Easter Bunny hit them. That's one. Funky egg. Is there anything in it? Shake it. Put it in your basket anyway.
Most of the eggs look like fishies, Claire.
Well, we baby Chase found one.
He did. Yay, baby Chase.
Put it in here. Put it in here. Put it in here.
So let him play with that one, Claire. Oh.
Yay, baby Chase.
He put it in the basket.
Yeah, he did.
Yay, big cheese. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking.
I see
Yeah, let's
4.
keep looking.
I find one.
Yay! What about over here somewhere? See any over there?
I see 2. I see 2.
Oh. Put in your basket. Are there any more over there?
Yeah. There's more.